welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Nicole Sierra and I'm a Virgo, and today's video is going to be a MacBook Air unboxing video. So if you clicked on the video, most likely you read the title, so you already know that. So I'm going to be giving you just my thoughts, my opinions, and the facts about the MacBook Air, unboxing it, showing you what it looks like and what features exactly it comes with. And this is the new MacBook Air for the year 2020, so let's go ahead and get started. And if you're a returning subscriber, I miss you guys so much. I'm finally able to make new content. The reason I actually purchased this new MacBook Air is because my last MacBook Air actually broke, and I'll go into more detail about it. So now I'm able to finally get a new laptop and put out some new content and edit videos, since I wasn't able to edit without my laptop. So I have a lot of fun Animal Crossing videos, actually like a really cool series coming, and makeup videos coming soon. So let's go ahead and get into this video, and I hope you enjoy. So here is the MacBook Air. It came in this beautiful packaging. This cardboard is like very nice quality. The fact that like it has a little apple right here, it's very sleek. When I got it, I was very impressed. I was like, wow. For the amount of money, this is the type of packaging that you would expect it to come with. So like the quality of that, I'm very impressed with, because it's very disappointing when you pay for a product, especially one as expensive as like an Apple product. You want the packaging itself to be secure. You want it to be kind of like a luxury, because it is a luxury price. So you expect everything about it, down to the packaging, to be at that exact standard. So I think that as far as the packaging, it's really nice, and I was actually really impressed, and it made me feel like, okay, I spent money on a luxury product, and so far like I'm not like let down, like, okay, what? The box comes like this, and it has a lid so you can take it off. It's very sturdy. I mean, you could probably, I don't know what you could do with it, but you can make it like a little tray, and you know, maybe, oh, you know what you could use this for? I've seen people like take things like this and put it in their pantry, so things stay a lot more like organized within that, and put like your corn, your green beans inside of that, so your cans aren't just like all over the place. They have some structure to them. So I could give this to my mom and actually have this be reused. And then inside would be the laptop. So the laptop looks like this. It comes inside like a little plastic sleeve, so we'll take that right off. And this is what it looks like. Let me turn it up this way. So I got the color rose gold. It looks so absolutely stunning. The price itself was a scary price, but honestly when it came in, I was like so shocked. I hadn't received like such a nice, well, it's not a gift, but like, you know, I haven't opened something up like this. It felt so good. And then inside the box, it has your little cord for the charger, the box for the charger, and this is just like cardboard again, which you can also take out and probably reuse the bottom one as well. So on the back, it has just like some basic info about it. So it says it's a 13-inch MacBook Air. It has the Retina LED backlit display with True Tone technology. I'm not exactly sure, to be honest with you, what that means, but I know that this actually has like a Touch ID, so your fingerprint can actually unlock this MacBook Air. Okay, so talking price-wise, this MacBook Air is actually starting at $999, but I purchased it off of their education store, so you can get the new MacBook Air starting at $899 in the education store. So when you go on the Apple website and you go to their categories, click on Mac at the top, it'll have like kind of not in huge writing, but you have to like pay attention. It will say get the new MacBook Air starting at $899 in the education store, and it says like in blue letters a hyperlink to shop. So you can click that and it'll take you to it. It will give you the details of what it means to shop in the education store. So for example, you can be like a student, you might be a teacher, and you will receive that discount. So that's $100 difference. Shipping to my address was actually free, so that was really helpful, that like you get something free at least, because you're spending so much money. So you can check that out. So shopping at the education store brought this to a grand total of $955, which is still a lot less than paying the $999 in like the regular Apple store. Another really interesting fact that I found about this MacBook Air was that they market it as made with 100% recycled aluminum. So it says MacBook Air is made with an aluminum alloy created by Apple that delivers the same strength, durability, and flawless finish without mining any new aluminum from the earth. And don't forget that they also have a trade-in program, so you can go online, plug in kind of like I have this MacBook and you plan on like maybe trading it in at a specific value that they're able to calculate. After asking a few questions, you input your information based on those responses. It'll give you like an estimated price. Since mine, the screen completely broke, I wasn't able to get any money for it. So now just time for my final thoughts and like opinions. I really like how they made this Apple on the front of the laptop to be like a reflective and a smaller Apple. I think it makes it a little bit more of a clean look and like a luxury look versus the Apple that lights up on the old MacBook Air that I have. I like that it lit up. That is really cute, and it's like kind of like, what is it, like Zoe 101? Like I feel like it gives me those vibes. But this, I feel like it just is like a new, fresher look to the MacBook Air, and I like those little details that makes it like a little bit different. I love the Touch ID a lot. I think the rose gold is super stunning. I want to get a clear case so that I can still enjoy the color, so I want to order that as soon as possible. And something little detail but like still makes a difference is that the charger inserts of like where you can plug into USB and things like that, they're rounded out in like a cool... Is it a new charger? They're rounded out because if you're not aware, they actually have a new like plug-in. So unfortunately, I won't be able to use my charger for my last MacBook Air because they have a new charger. So that's kind of a bummer because I remember all the time in college, I would have the old MacBook Air. My best friend had this one. Be like, hey, can I use your charger? And she's like, I don't have that charger. I have a new one. So like, there goes Apple again, throwing something new to make things so just that much more difficult, and it makes you feel like, wow, if I don't have the newest thing, like, so, and the way that the actual keyboard feels itself, it feels like a brand new keyboard. It feels so like crisp, like the keyboards are extra clicky. And the mouse pad, my last one, it broke. It kept like getting stuck, and it would make it hard sometimes to like click on things or double click on things. I would have to like make sure I really did it. So it feels so good to know that like this mouse pad is new, and hopefully it doesn't like mess up, because that was one of my biggest pet peeves with my last laptop, was the fact that the mouse pad wasn't working as it should have. Wrapping up my final thoughts, I think that it's beautiful. I think that if you're able to shop in the education store, you definitely should. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave some nice comments down below. And I'll be posting some new videos soon, so I can't wait to see you all again there, and thanks so much for watching.